Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It is Saturday in real time, and we have got spring fever. So we just grabbed some coffee, and we are gonna take you guys around to some garden centers today and see what they're starting to get in for spring.
Yeah, it's sort of like cold spring feeling day today, and the garden is just starting to wake up, and so that's like really inspiring us to want to get out and see some garden centers. We don't really have any big garden centers in the Charlotte area other than big box stores, and so we just decided we're gonna make a full day of this and head sort of to the outskirts of town and hit at least one, if not more, run some errands, stop by some friends' houses, and just take you guys along for the ride.
Let's go. All right, folks, we've been looking for a long time. What do you got there, Brian?
These are bear's breeches. They're very woodland, and they kind of have long spiky blooms to them, and unfortunately they look like foxgloves.
I'm excited. Wait, let's see if I can get the tag. How cool is that?
We came last year and asked for them, and I think that they probably got a new flap, and they're sitting here waiting for us.
Fun.
Back here in the cold frame.
All right, so that was Dearness Gardens. I don't think we've ever shown you guys this place on YouTube. but it's just a fun little place. It's like kind of whimsical, and there's always some kind of personality with a garden center.
Yeah.
And I think for this one, we like to tell people they have funky perennials.
Yeah.
And they do. They have like unique stuff that you usually kind of have to search for.
Yeah.
Like the bear's breeches. I mean, we've never seen that anywhere in Charlotte.
Yeah, exactly. Last year we found a bunch of variegated plants here that we had never seen variegated before, like a variegated sea holly, and they just have very unique varieties. And I think that you always have to have those pockets of like uniqueness, and you could see it was kind of like, this is like kind of a wild place, and they have like a little cabin with waterfalls and everything, so it's just really fun to explore. It feels
like the garden center is in like with the nature.
Exactly.
Also.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's not just tables of plants. There's personality, so we love that.
And they have a little loyalty program. So when we were checking out, I was like, I think I have some points, and we basically got a bear's breeches for free.
Yep.
So check out your local garden centers if you're not in the Charlotte area, and ask them if they have a loyalty program, because we spend a lot of money on plants, and it helps. Every little bit you can save helps.
Yeah, the more you spend, the more you save.
Sure.
That's good.
Okay, on to the next one.
All right, so we finished at Pike. They had a lot of gorgeous things, and because it's a greenhouse and they have that coverage, they have lots of spring plants that are already in bloom and pushing out, so that was fun to see.
And they were prepping a lot for spring. They were like cleaning everything and shifting stuff around. You could tell they were putting out a bunch of like roses and stuff. They're getting ready.
Yeah, it's
time.
exciting to see. So now we are headed to a friend's house who asked us to come and help us move a sofa. See, this is a real day in the life. And they've also asked us several times to take a look at their backyard. They have a really small, cute backyard in a house that they just moved into not too long ago. And they have not done much work yet, but they are ready to, and they're gonna do some plantings in the spring. And so they just asked us to sort of advise them on what they should do. So we're gonna head there now, and then we're gonna head home.
All right, guys, we made it back home. We had a fun little taste of spring. We got a perennial.
Yeah.
And you know, spring is gonna be here before we know it. It's felt really warm all week here in Charlotte, but today's actually a little bit chilly.
Yeah.
I think it's supposed to start raining later. So we are gonna wrap up this vlog right here, and we're gonna go plant these bears breeches.
Yeah. We hope you guys had a good day with us, and be sure you've subscribed to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.